is Jordan, and I want to show you the horses around here, and one of them's mine. Okay, so this is Roy. Roy's a nice horse, and he's pretty much let's say the pack, like the head of the horses, and he meets every horse, and he's a good leader. This is Ambush. He's a nice horse, and yeah. This is Faith. She's younger, and she's a saddlebred. Here's Carson. He's also a saddlebred, and he's sometimes a little feisty, and he has a friend named Diva, but Diva's not here. She's gone for a little while, but yeah. And then here is Boxer. Boxer is also a saddlebred. He's a little jacked up, and it's odd that he sort of looks like he has a mohawk. And then here is Woody. Woody is not that old, but he's like maybe 5, but he's a good age, and he's nice, and yeah, he's a good boy. Sometimes he was a little naughty when he was a baby. And then here is Anna, and you probably don't want to see her right now, and she looks good. She's a good horse, and yeah, that's it. And then we're coming out to my horse, and this is Daisy. Daisy I'm going to bring out in a second here, and yeah, Daisy's nice. She just ate her dinner, and so yeah. Say hi, Daisy. This is Daisy. I ride her for reining, and yeah, I'm going to ride her and show you how I do my reining. And then here's Tori. Tori has a foot problem, and she stays in here a lot. She sometimes kicks the stall, so if you hear background noises, it's her. And when horses pin their ears, they pretty much look like the horse, and now they're in a fight. See, that's what Tori does some of the time. And then she also does that with Annabelle. Annabelle's a nice horse. She looks like she's a Western horse, I'm pretty sure, and a little kid rides her. And then here's Tex. He's an older dude. He has a cute face, and yeah, nobody rides him right now, but he looks pretty, and I have to say about him is that he looks pretty. He's a nice horse. And all these horses are boarding, or they are my grandpa's, or they're mine. Thank you.